Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Friday morning here, October 30th, and we'll talk to you about the grain markets here in the next couple of minutes. Okay, the charts I'm going to put in front of you, they're backing and filling, and we'll talk about this here. I think the key today, it is the end of the week, the end of the month, and I think the soybean chart, you're working on a daily reversal up, and we can take out the overnight high. I think that's a positive in the short term here, and that'll carry the rest of the markets. Okay, the corn market here. Brazilian domestic corn prices reportedly hit a record high this week. Corn prices in China are $10. So I really think U.S. corn is undervalued here compared to some of the corn around the world. The basis is strong in the Midwest, so this sets the tone for stronger futures going forward. Basis price is strong. This is what it's going to do, is get the corn into the pipeline where it belongs. Farmers are busy harvesting U.S. corn, and they're storing it, and the base is strong. Futures go up, and that'll entice the farmer to sell some of the corn and get it in the pipeline. Grain soy complex, the managed funds longs have been 595,000 contracts. Back in 2012, when we had the drought year, it was 779,000 contracts. So we're really getting up there where you'd expect some type of sell-off, and here it is. So we'll see where we go from here. The soybean chart, this is a nice chart now. You got 3 days of lower highs and lower lows, and that's what markets do. They go in days of three, and today you got kind of some strength here. And soybeans are up a nickel as we speak, and you got a double top here in the last 48 hours, 10.62 1/4. So big managed fund long positions here, and we're seeing that evening up a little bit as we move forward. January, February, and March. This is important. What is China going to be doing early next year? A major unknown here, but I kind of think they're going to be buying U.S. commodities, and we're going to wrap this up in 1 minute time on that theme. Palm oil is bullish. The end users are long, buying palm oil. China's been buying palm oil, so that's a good chart to look at as well. Soybean meal. I love the waves on the soybean meal chart going up. Multiple waves. So soybean meal's been the leader here the last 3-4 weeks, and look for that to continue. South American weather. Now this is important. It is improving. Mato Grosso the other night got 20% coverage of rain here, and decent rains are forecast. Keep in mind, Brazil had the driest September in 40 years. So this is these rain forecasts in Brazil, they need to continue. Okay. The China demand story for agriculture. China's fifth party plenum, they wrapped up their meeting yesterday, and they're expected to approve expansion to strategic reserves of pork and grains along with other commodities. Details that we're not going to get till early next year. So in the meantime, other importers you're going to see may extend forward coverage in the case that China launches major agricultural commodity buying sprees. So, and we're seeing this week with South Korea stepping up, buying U.S. corn continually throughout this week. So let's all have an excellent weekend.